Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Outlook and finding the exact email to attach. This saves time. Once located, open a new message addressed to your recipient or reply if appropriate. Make a quick decision. Attach as a MSG file to preserve headers and attachments, or forward inline for a simple quote. This choice affects how the recipient views metadata and attachments. Next, position both windows so you can drag or use the attach commands without losing focus. This prevents mistakes. Now you perform the core action. If your Outlook view allows, click and drag the message from the list into the body of the new email. You'll see a MSG icon when it's ready. Alternatively, right-click the original, choose Save as to export a MSG, then use Attach File in the new mail and select that saved file. Make sure the attachment name is clear and add a short explanation in the body so the recipient understands why you're sending the original email. Finish by verifying the attached email opens correctly on your side. Open the MSG from the draft to confirm headers and attachments are intact. If the attachment is too large or blocked by policies, compress it into a zip or use your organization's file sharing link and include that instead. If recipients cannot open MSG files due to client limits, paste key content and forward inline or export to PDF as a universal folder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.